Thikũ inya thutha wa bũrũri wa Amerika kũruta mũkaana kũrĩ raiya wake igũrũ rĩgiĩ gũcera kaunti ya Kisumu, Barothi wa Amerika gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ ateteire ikinya rĩrĩ. Akĩaria na andĩki a mohoro gũkũ Nairobi, Barothi mwerũ wa Amerika Margaret Whitman oigĩte Kisumu nĩguo mũciĩ mũnene wa kerĩ bũrũri-inĩ gũkorwo na raiya na aruti wĩra aingĩ a Amerika.
The reason that we issued alert around Kisumu is this is the second largest population of Americans outside of Nairobi. So it is because we have a large number of American citizens and a very large number of embassy personnel in Kisumu.
No na kũhana ũguo Whitman nĩatĩtĩrithĩtie mũkaana ũyũ ndũkuruhanĩte na maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano kĩnene gĩa kiumia gĩũkĩte.
That does not in any way reflect the U.S. views on the outcome of the election. It was a routine security alert because that's where the highest number of our people are. If we had a large number of people in another area, we probably would have added that county as well.
Ciĩgiĩ gĩthurano kĩnene, Whitman oigĩte Amerika na ikundi citiganĩte nĩ ciiganĩrĩte nĩ meharĩrĩria marĩa matabanĩtio magũtigĩrĩra nĩ gĩatabanio na njĩra ya ũma na waragania gũkũ akĩũria a Kenya metheme na ngũĩ o ciothe cia gĩthurano.
I think that businesses and people gain confidence by free, fair and transparent elections with a peaceful transfer of power. And I think there's a great deal of confidence, at least thus far, that the elections are on a very good trajectory. Everyone that I have talked to in my last 6 days, and I have not met with everyone for sure, is that there's a great deal more confidence in this election cycle. We'll obviously see what happens.
Tiga ũgitĩri na gĩthurano, Whitman oigĩte wĩigĩrĩrĩki ũngĩ athukĩirwo nĩ President Joe Biden nĩ gũteithĩrĩria bũrũri wa Kenya kũhũrana na ungumania gũtigĩrĩra wonjoria na thũgũrĩ na mabũrũri mangĩ nĩ wagacĩra.
I intend to do everything I can with the personnel and the resources of the U.S. Embassy to help that. But ultimately, it is up to the Kenyans and Kenyan businesses and the government of Kenya to fight for even more transparency than you have today.
Harĩ kũhũrana na ng'aragu ĩrĩa ĩgũmĩire makĩria ma Kenya milioni 4.1, Whitman nĩ anĩrĩirie ũteithio wa ciringi bilioni 25.
Food security. As I said, Samantha Powers just announced a $255 million increase in funding to help the immediate needs. But I think your point is well taken, that ultimately employment and really working on long-term solutions to the climatic change that is driving this drought is equally important to the immediate relief.
Wakerĩ kiumia twerekeire makĩria ma Kenya milioni 22 nĩo magakorwo magĩcunga mĩtĩ. Maitho mothe marĩ kũrĩ gĩturwa kĩa president gatagatĩ ka mũnini wa President William Ruto wa UDA, Raila Odinga wa Azimio, David Mwaure wa Agano na George Wajakoya wa Roots.
We stand shoulder to shoulder with the Kenyan people during this election season. Our programs at the embassy support democratic values and, crucially, are non-partisan. As a longtime friend, the United States supports free, fair, and peaceful elections. And I'm confident that the close relationship built between the United States and Kenya over many decades will continue to blossom regardless of the outcome of the vote.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.